Hey guys, welcome to another video. And so today I want to talk to you about stories, Instagram stories, Facebook stories, and the proper way of posting stories. So there's two things that you have to remember when you're posting a story is where your traffic is coming from. So let's assume you have your story ready to go. There's number one thing you need to geo-tag it, because people that are in that location will be attracted to that piece of content. Number two is using a hashtag. If you're using Instagram stories, you must optimize it using a hashtag, and if you want, you can use an extra hashtag by typing it in using hashtag something, and then you can decorate it by highlighting it with any form of color highlight that you want. And then after you do that, now it's good to go. Boom, you post. So once you post it, the traffic that will be, the people that the community that will be looking at your content will be either generated from your geotag location, number one. Number two, will be also attracted from the hashtag that you have, and that's how you properly optimize your Instagram stories. And it's not just a matter of posting. So if you like this video, please give me a like, and if you have any questions, shoot me a comment down below. And if you've not yet subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe. And if you're following me from LinkedIn, I'll be very happy if we can connect. So I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.